What is cleanup? Cleanup is a procedure that includes cleansing, exfoliation and pack. What is exfoliation? Exfoliation is scrub, steam and extraction. For these three we are saying exfoliation. It is a 30-minute procedure and is recommended for the teenagers to keep the skin healthy, glow and hydrated. Why for teenagers? Because for the teenagers the metabolism will be good. So no need of giving facial massage and other treatments. What is metabolism? It is a chemical reaction in the body cells that change food into energy. And energy is important to function the body. What are the benefits of cleanup? It removes the dirt, dust, debris, blackheads and whiteheads, that is comedone and milia, excess of oils, etc. Moreover, it will keep the skin hydrated for a long time. If you are exposing to sunlight, opt for the cleanup once in 2 weeks. And it will reduce clogging the skin pores, reduces the sun tan, and it will give an instant glow. These are some of the benefits of cleanup. What is the standard procedure, standard operating procedure? Wash your hands with soap and water, sanitizing your hands, wear gloves, then cleansing, then exfoliation, that is scrub, steam and extraction, then toner application, then pack, after that moisturize and apply SPF. What are the contraindications for the cleanup? Recent cuts, wounds, scar tissues, sunburns, broken capillaries, infectious disease, skin allergy, product allergy, undiagnosed lumps or bumps. However, sometimes it might be a symptom of serious condition. So be careful while doing consultation. Then conjunctivitis, some of the skin conditions such as severe acne, eczema, cold sores, etc. What are the contraindications of cleanup? What is the meaning of contraction? This is a reaction occurs during the treatment or immediately after the treatment. If it is during the treatment, stop the service immediately. If it happens after the treatment, act accordingly to it. And if the same client is coming for the next time, make sure not to repeat it. Post-care. Don't apply makeup for at least 8 hours. Don't use harsh chemical soaps. Avoid perfume products. Don't go for gym or swimming. Drink plenty of water that can hydrate your skin. Eat a healthy meal which include raw fruits, vegetables and salads. Get a minimum of 7 hours sleep a night. Apply moisturizer according to your skin type to make it healthy. Apply SPF 30 minutes before going out. These are some of the post-cares. Hope you all understood the cleanup. If you have any doubts, kindly mention in the comment box below. Thank you.